Hello everyone, super fast cubing here. Today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Dino cube. So now let's shuffle the cube. Okay, now the cube is shuffled. Now first aim is to solve the white four pieces with the sequence of B O G R, blue, orange, green, red. So now this is orange. So this is orange, white and orange. I have to get white and blue here. So a very intuitive process to get white and blue here. Or white and blue is here. Get it here. Okay. Got it. Then I have to get O here. This is white and orange. Okay. Get it there. And I got O. And luckily I even got G. But if we didn't get the G, it's an intuitive process to do it. And the last piece. So the last piece will be here. So you have to move this out, put this down, get it back, and get it back. Now this white is solved with the sequence of blue, orange, green, red. Now our next step is to place all these parts. So now this is red and green goes here. It's a very intuitive process to get it there. And I got the green and red. Now our next piece is green and orange, which goes here. One more. And our next piece is red and blue, it goes here. Got it? Now I have to make this red and green proper. And then the last piece goes here. Done. These are done. And next step is to solve the yellow. So there might be a case in which nothing is solved. So you don't need to worry. You have to do one algorithm, one short algorithm. Right dash, L, right, L dash. Now move the cube once so that one unsolved part is in front of us and other is on the right of us. And do this algorithm again. Right dash, L, right, L dash. And the cube is solved. There also might be another case when the cube can't be solved. I'll try to get that for you. Just a minute. Yeah, there also might be a case in which the yellow is solved but these are not solved. So you don't need to worry. You have to put the cube anywhere but yellow should be on the top and do this algorithm. Right dash, L, right, L dash. And after that you have to turn the cube that one unsolved is in front of us and one unsolved is in the right and do this algorithm again. Right dash, L, right, L dash, and the cube is solved. If you learn the cube, please like, share and subscribe. Super fast cubing. Thank you.